In this video, we will learn what is the geometrical meaning of zero of a polynomial. Zero of a polynomial. Let us take a polynomial 2x plus 3. Now in this case, the zero of the polynomial is x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Now when we substitute this value of x in this polynomial, and let us call this polynomial as y, which is 2x plus 3, then we get this value of polynomial as 0. So this polynomial, which we are representing by y, the value will become 0, and this is called 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial. So 0 of the polynomial is something where we substitute the value of the variable and the value of the polynomial results in 0. So if we take this polynomial y is equal to 2x plus 3 and we plot it now on a graph paper. So here again we make our table. That is x and y. So if the x is 0, the value of the polynomial is 3, and when x is 1, the value of the polynomial is 5, and if we take the value of x as minus 1, then the value of the polynomial is plus 1, and when the value of polynomial is 2, it is minus 1. So now let us see that we plot this point 0, 1, 2, 3, and this is 1. So this is 1 point, then 4, 5. So now this is another point, and then minus 1 is this point, and then at minus 2 is this point. So if we join these points, we get this line. So because this is a polynomial of degree 1, degree equal to 1, and this is also called linear polynomial. Linear polynomial because the graph of this polynomial is a straight line. Now if you see that where is this line intersects with x-axis, where does this line intersects with x-axis, and this is x is equal to minus 3 by 2. X is equal to minus 3 by 2. So which is equal to the 0 of this polynomial. So the geometrical meaning of the 0 of the polynomial is where the graph of that polynomial, graph of that polynomial intersects with x-axis, so that is the 0 of the polynomial. Zero of the polynomial is a very useful concept for solving equation, and that we will see in subsequent videos. But what we have learned in this video is that what is the geometrical meaning of zero of the polynomial. And again, remember that there can be more than one zero of the polynomial. And I can take a very simple example. Say for example x square minus 1. If this is a polynomial, x square minus 1 is the polynomial, and then we know that this polynomial will be 0 for x is equal to 1 as well as x is equal to minus 1. So it means this has two values which will result in one is x plus 1 and other is x minus 1. So both these are 0 of the polynomial, and the value of x is equal to plus 1 and minus 1. And when we will draw the graph of x square minus 1, we will see that it will intersect x-axis at 2 points. And there could be some polynomial like, this is a quadratic polynomial because it is of degree 2. And if we are talking of a cubic polynomial which is of degree 3, a cubic polynomial may intersect